you've always wanted a car camera, but you were intimidated or worried about the installation process, this 4K dual camera is the one you want to go with. This 4K dual camera is a simple installation. You're going to stick it on the window. It's got a power cord that runs from the USB-C port to the cigarette lighter port. Has the side camera, which is also going to be here, and I'll show you that as well, which will allow you to view from the rear. So installation of the car camera was absolute cinch, super easy. You have a power cord, a static cling sheet. You place your power cord into your cigarette lighter. You attach your camera to the static sheet and power the car on, and that is your entire installation. As you can see, you do have the option for a side mounted camera. You can switch the sides on there and you'll see it pops up a separate camera over here once it's pushed all the way in. And that allows for you to view this side of the car or the rear, or place it back on this side. And if you have any issues when you're getting pulled over, you now have the opportunity to go ahead and view the driver's side, or you can record yourself while driving. Voice activated, a bunch of different options on here. The mobile phone is activated to the dash cam. So what that means is we are now connected via the app, so I can actually go live and view it from the app if I choose to. I can go through and access all my settings on here as well if I turn the Bluetooth off, and I do not access it
Insert memory card
through the phone. Then we will have all our settings on here. Let me turn this off. Disconnect the Bluetooth because that is connected via Bluetooth currently. And now your settings are via the phone and or via the touch screen on the actual recording device. Once again, guys, that is a super easy installation on the car camera.